Click on the link below to get price. The 20 to 60% RH Electronic Dry Cabinet 880L ESD Desiccator Cabinet is an exceptional storage solution tailored for sensitive materials, particularly semiconductors. With its expansive 880-liter capacity, this cabinet is ideal for both industrial and research environments, offering ample space for various components while ensuring optimal humidity control. One of the standout features of this cabinet is its electronic humidity control system, which maintains a precise relative humidity (RH) range of 20 to 60%. This controlled environment is crucial for preserving the integrity of semiconductor components, which can easily degrade when exposed to moisture. The digital display allows for easy monitoring and adjustment of humidity levels, enabling users to maintain an ideal setting for their specific requirements. Additionally, the cabinet is designed with electrostatic discharge (ESD) protection, making it suitable for storing sensitive electronic components that are particularly vulnerable to static electricity. The materials used in the construction are carefully selected to minimize any risk of ESD, providing peace of mind for users who need to safeguard their investments in valuable electronics. The design is both functional and user-friendly, featuring adjustable shelving that allows for customizable organization. This is particularly beneficial for users managing diverse items, as it enables efficient use of space and easy access to stored components. The cabinet is equipped with a sturdy locking mechanism, ensuring that all contents remain secure and protected from unauthorized access. In terms of energy efficiency, this electronic dry cabinet operates quietly and consumes minimal power, making it an economical choice for long-term use. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability and reliability over time, even in demanding conditions. Overall, the 20 to 60% RH Electronic Dry Cabinet 880L ESD Desiccator Cabinet stands out as a premium solution for anyone concerned with the longevity and performance of sensitive electronic components. Its combination of advanced humidity control, ESD protection, and practical design makes it a worthwhile investment for professionals in various fields.